This video is part of a series of live training videos on a Hyundai Weir horizontal borer. It's a large machine, 2 metre x-axis with a moving column and a 50 taper, and it has a Fanuc 31i CNC control. When removing a tool, when it's as large as this, a 50 taper, be very careful that you can support the weight as the tool releases, and there can sometimes be sort of the air can eject them quite quickly, so the weight can be quite a shock. You might even want to get some wood and put something underneath it when you remove the tool, but always beware that these tools will be heavy, so make sure you are prepared for that. Okay, so we're going to turn it to unclamp, press the button, yeah, and then there's a delay, and then you'll feel it go, yeah, yeah, and then to put it back, turn it to clamp, yeah, push it right in, press it, yeah, and that's got it, yeah. So it's just simple clamp and unclamp.